Ready to go. Good to see everybody in the chat. I just want to see something here. Okay. All right. Yeah. Honestly, I just got to the charts, and I thought we were about to pop off on a 1 hour celery play real quick. But it looks like we're going to close back above the range, so nothing there. Let me crack my excess and settle in here nicely now. What's good, everybody? How y'all feeling? What up, what up, what up? All right, let me, what up, LeGrand? What up, Dominic? What up, Trader Next Door? What's goody, what's goody? What up, Z Gamer? Z Gamer is in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Stephen B? What up, Forex Frank? What up, Zachariah? Hey, like that name. Zachariah. Dennis Hood, what's good, Dennis Hood? What's good, what's good? What up, what up? What up, PM Magnifico? All right, what's good, Rob Trades? Rob Trades in the house. Ewan's in the building. What up, Ewan? How you feeling today? What up, DT Gamer? Doing great, my man. How are you? Hanzo's in the building. What up, everyone? Moose the Jab. Yo. All right, lovely, lovely. So we did close bullish on the 1 hour. Also closed bullish on the 30 here. So nothing just yet for me. I thought we were gonna actually come in and candle would close below there, but no bueno. So yeah, how's everyone doing? Y'all good? Welcome, welcome. As you guys settle in here, give the stream a like. If you just popped on the stream randomly, you don't even know how you got here, subscribe to the channel, hang around for a bit, and I think you'll be pretty excited about where you landed. So what up, Project Toro? What's up, Gotta Trade? Good morning, sir. Nomad in the building. What up, Nomad? What up, Mr. Volatility? You bringing the heat for us today or what? All right. All right, chat. Let's get going here. Let me lower the music. Let me send out the Zoom link. All right. Hey, if you're not in our free Discord, you can join our free Discord. It is all free, and it is an awesome community. Awesome, awesome. All right, I think everyone's good to go here, and I think I'm good to go on my end. Let me just share my screen. Where are all the mods at? Mods are sleeping in today? I know Z Gamer's in the house. Carola, chola. What up, TTW? It is TTW. What up, Sergio TT Bank Santos? Carola. Level Up is in the house. Louis G is here as always. What's good, Louis G? All right. All right, gang, we are good. Everyone in Zoom should be popping in now. Good morning to you all. Let me set up the chat over here so I can see you guys when you type. And yeah, I think we're golden. So welcome, everyone. Welcome into another New York live stream here. We're going to have fun here today. We're going to go ahead and start this day off right, understanding that today is another day to be grateful, right? Another opportunity for us to be disciplined, another opportunity for us to be professionals in the market, and really display that here today, right? If you want to do what successful traders do, or if you want what successful traders have, you have to do what they do, right? And you're going to see us making a little bit of some changes to make our trading even better than it has been in 2023. You're going to see us make improvements in 2024, 2025, 26, all that good stuff, because we're constantly learning, constantly growing, and looking towards improvement. So that's what we're going to do here today. We're going to stay steady here and see what we got going on. It is Wednesday, I believe, right? Chat? Hold on. Yes, Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. It is the 13th of December, and we are moving along here, cruising in, ending the year strong here on TTE trading floor, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the news, see what we got going on here today. We do have PPI here today, so it should have a lot of volume coming in here at 8:30 today with this red folder. We also do have crude oil inventories coming in at 10:30 towards the tail end of the live stream. And then you do have the FOMC later on today, right? So we got FOMC later on today. And that should be interesting, right? Pretty interesting to close out the year. We'll have the press conference here as well. Today we'll be doing 2 streams. So we'll be doing 1 stream right here, right now, and then we will do another stream later on this afternoon to see if we can get our hands on anything that gold has to offer here with FOMC. See what Pal has to say. And I believe Sam did a pretty solid video in the Discord if you guys want to check that out at some point. But yeah, so that's what we got going on here today. Pretty heavy news, right? So we should have a lot of volume. Price is most likely gonna sit tight a bit until things start to move around here. So and yes, that was pound yen. Everything here is from, I think, yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. So that let's go ahead and dive into the charts here, take a look at what we got going on, and see how we could approach things here today. So you guys ready for a breakdown? Let's pray. All right, let's pray. Father in heaven, man, wow, we thank you for another day just to do what we love, what we've been called to do, Lord. I pray that whatever I say today, it just wouldn't even be me, Lord. It would be you speaking to the people. I pray that you refresh them today, Lord. Give them a new vision. Give them new strength, Lord, that they know that in their weakness, Lord, that's where your strength is so powerful, Lord. So I pray for your strength in their weakness. I pray that they would get a clear vision, Lord, for where they want to go, because anything is possible and you know where you want to go, Lord. So make it clear for them and bless their path, and we thank you in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. Amen. All right, let's get it. Drawdown or no drawdown, pray every day. Yeah, no drawdown though, my man. Anyway, so let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on here today on the charts and see how we could approach the markets here. So let's go ahead and take a look from the monthly candle here, right? So what do we know about the monthly time frame? So one of the things that we know is that we are in these all-time highs here, right? We understand where we are. We understand where gold is trading currently. And if we look around, right, what do we have here? We have data, right? Things that can give us a clue on what price wants to do next. So previous data says, hey, every time we've come up into this yellow box, we've had these rejections, right? And as you notice, there's one rejection here, another rejection here, another rejection here, and now a 4th rejection to the top side, right? So 4 rejections to the top side over the last 3 years or so. And what happened every single time that we did, hold on, let me just lower the music here. Every time that we actually ended up rejecting, what did price do? Price created a resistance, right? Price created resistance. Let me use a different color so it's not matching with the yellow. Right, we create a resistance and we move down, right? What do we do here? We create a resistance after the rejection. We move down, right? So same thing here. We attempted to move down, but didn't really do much, right? We only filled this range right here. But now that we have this new rejection, you look like you're trying to create resistance. Look, this candle still has 16 days left. So for all we know, the candle can flip bullish and break the highs here before the year end. But we did talk about the yearly candle a couple days ago and understanding where that is and how that reflects on these lower time frames like the monthly and the weekly, right? So we understand where we are, we understand what's going on, and we do see the monthly candle continuing to break the lows here over the past like 10-11 days, right? So let's go ahead and see what that looks like here on the weekly time frame. So weekly did close bearish here, right? So we understand what happened. Weekly closed bearish below resistance here. Very strong rejection to the top side, and it's honestly, it's no surprise, right? When you get in those all-time highs, you barely close with a top wick, rejected, created resistance, closed below this level here, below this 2017 level, and now you look pretty solid to come on down into this 1930 area here, right? So this is the new range that we're currently in, gang. So as we see this weekly candle, we're midway through the week. We still don't have much of a top wick, right? That's the one thing that's getting me here, is we still don't have much of a top wick. We have heavy news coming in today. So can price reverse, right, and create a steeper top wick, then drive down towards this 1930 level tomorrow and Friday? That's a question for today, being that we do have major news in. But as you guys can see, we are currently in this range, and this is the range that trading in. So we should retest that support level if price does want to move down here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily, right, to see how can we take positions here today. So daily, yeah, we talked about this daily candle closing below, right? Let's track back real quick. We talked about this daily candle. After that rejection, we did close below support here. Therefore, we had a target down here at 1990, right, for price to retest. Because if we're now breaking back into this range, right, so you have a support, right, these are your ranges, right, next support is down here at 1990, and now you're looking towards like 1940, right? So if we're breaking back into this range, which is what this candle did, well, now the idea is for price to retest that support, and that's exactly what we did. We came down, we created a nice little pullback, and yesterday, or what was it, Monday? Yeah, Monday we blew past 1990 there. So, you know, now we're approaching this level of support here, and we talked about this level yesterday, how price can reject here. So we already broke the previous daily candle lows. That's good, but are we going to actually break down, right? Are we going to continue down towards 58 here today? That we're going to have to see on the lower time frame. So look, we are bearish based off of the closure, but let's understand where we are as well, right? We are right in this support level here, right? So let's understand where we closed bearish and anticipate both buys and sells today, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour, see what's going on here. Probably a bit of consolidation. Yep. So it looks like you have pretty strong resistance here on the 4 hour at 1987, and then a very strong resistance here towards 1976, right? And that's basically the range that the 4 hour is currently trading in. So we've got a big strong exhaustion wick to the top side, same thing to the downside here. This is consolidating, right? Obviously we have major news coming in, most likely going to consolidate a little bit for that news to come out. So let's go ahead and take a look at this on the 1 hour chart. And yeah, let's see what we got. So 1 hour, it looks like we did somewhat of a fake out, right? Or we're working on a fake out. 4 hour is making a bottom wick currently. 1 hour did close bearish here, right? So we did get a bearish closure on the 1 hour time frame. 30 minutes been rejecting this zone here too, and I think I found what I'm looking for. So what I'm gonna be taking a peek at here today is, let's go ahead and look left. Let's mark this real quick. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look to take buys above 1983.576 here today. So buys above here. We already kind of formed our ranges and range 2 and all that good stuff. And then based off the 30-minute chart here and the 15-minute, sells looking pretty good. Pretty good below here. Let me see what that looks like on the 30. Yeah, I think sells are gonna be straight below, yeah, 1977 for me. Yeah, because we may range here a bit pre-news here at 8:30, and then you should get a breakout. So there's a obvious support level right here on the 30-minute time frame. I think, I don't know, let me take a look at the daily here real quick. Yeah, I think that may be just a bit too soon here to take my sells, especially off of the information the daily's given us, where we broke the lows right out the gate and coming back up now and all that stuff. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep my sells below 77 here and just make this a no trade range here. So pretty much this will be a no trade range here for me today. As of right now, if things switch up during high times of volume, then there may be, you know, a switch up there. But as of right now, I'm going to keep things looking like this. Going to look to trade in this zone above 83 here today for buys, and that'll be breaking the, you know, the highs and everything for the daily. And then sells are pretty good. We got this range here, but I believe there's also plenty of clean traffic moving down here today yet. So yeah, you're probably going to look for targets right in this like 1970 zone here. So that's what I'm going to be looking at here today for gold. Most likely not going to touch anything here until 8:30. So yeah, so that's the day. Let me go ahead and see what this range is. 35 pips. Yeah, yep, that'll be the day for me here on gold. That's also pretty strong 1 hour support as well, and looks pretty clean. So that is it, gang. So buys above 83 here, This resistance here on the 30-minute time frame right here. And then sells are looking pretty clean below 77. Yeah, looks good. Let me clone it. All right, perfect. All right, lovely. And that's the day for me. Target for buys is going to be up here towards like 97. So we got plenty of room here today. We should have a lot of volume coming in, and we're just going to sit tight, wait for our opportunities. Yeah. Yep. Cool. Sweet. Oh, amen's in the chat. Amen. What up, Pablo? Ad came up? No way. On the live stream? No way. Dismiss. What is this? Add automator. All right, maybe that'll do it. That's weird. No way. Got 2 ads yesterday? No way. That's crazy. That's interesting. Deep breaths. Breathe air. All right, well, that's going to be gold here today, gang. Let's sit tight. Again, we do have major news coming out here at 8:30, so there probably won't be much going on until then. This right here is like a 30 pip move down, but I'm not too interested. I'm not too interested in it because how aggressive this daily candle seems to be acting, breaking the lows and then coming up and all that stuff. So yeah, maybe a trap right there. So I'm gonna wait, right? I'm gonna wait until we blow past these other supports here. Yeah, very little to no top wick too on the 1 hour candle here right now. So me no touchy. Let's see. Premium oil. Yeah, yo, you never know, man. I got these crazy kids over here. They might have hit something. I'll have to take a look at it when we end the stream today. I'll have it all fixed up for later on. Yo, the stream's quaking. They trying to bring us down, chat. I'm telling you. They're trying to bring us down. We're making a dent in the industry. Do I use indicators? No, I just use these ranges here. That's about it. Yeah, that's it. So you guys will, if you guys are new, you may think, whoa, like this guy's got 4 lines on his chart. That's it. That's it. Yeah, that's it. We just try and keep things as simple as possible, reading price action, candlesticks, and just built a system off of that. You know, just built a system off of candlesticks and ranges and really understanding what certain candles mean and what they're speaking and saying, and base my whole trading off of that. Yep. Nice and simple. Trust me, I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed, but I am no dummy, and I understand the power and simplicity. see here. What time will the next stream be? The next stream will be at 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So gotta figure out whatever that is for you. But 1:30, 1:45 p.m. Eastern. Music's too loud? Okay, we'll turn it down a little bit. I normally take the same markings as you, but my entries are poor. Any advice? Yeah, don't try and predict it. You know, a lot of you guys try and predict it. Call it like a discounted price where, you know, like let's say chances are, let's say you get a close like this and we're looking for sells on the next candle. And I'm like, all right, well, look, after a top wick is formed, I'm going to get in on the break of the low, right? So let's say a low is formed and now a top wick is coming up. A lot of times you guys are trying to catch the entry up here, right? So you're trying to get in ahead of the game before the trade is valid. You know, there's a reason I'm entering on the break of the low, right? There's a reason I'm entering here and not here. And the reason is because the trade is not valid until that low breaks. So that's why we use buy stops and sell stops, because we want to enter onto the position when the position is valid, right? And until that low breaks, just like in a regular trend, it's not valid yet. So a lot of times people will try and snipe an entry, right? And then what'll happen is price will look like this. So stops are sitting above here, right? And price closes like this, and you're like, damn. And we didn't even get activated. And you're sitting there like, why'd I do that again? Why did I do it again? Right? So I used to do this all the time, by the way. So going through that really helped me out, especially losing trades. And, you know, the cool part about being on a stream is that you get to see what the other guy's doing, right? So while you're punching air and hitting your inhaler because you can't seem to handle air anymore like I used to after making stupid decisions, right? And the streamer's sitting there like, all right, you know what, chat, I'm going to delete the sell stops. It's not valid anymore. And you just took a hit or a loss or whatever. Anytime that would happen to me, I would be like, all right, let me just be disciplined, right? Discipline pays. So there's a reason that he's getting that entry and not a different one. Let me just stick with that and sample size that. And, you know, that's what I did. So now the entry for me in a case like that would have to be on the break of the low, right? Because I don't know if this thing really wants to drive until it breaks that low. Once it breaks that low, now I have an 80-85% chance of price driving, right? But before that happens, there's a 50-50. Yeah, so, you know, they're good when they work out, and sometimes they do, but if you're really trying to find consistency and confidence, you know, just sample size what entries really do work and leave the other ones, right? Just leave the other ones aside. Don't fall to the lure of the markets. It's very seductive, right? Yep. Yeah, because that's typically what a lot of people, when you're asking that question, saying, hey, my markups are good, everything works good, but my entries, they're not working out. Typically, you're maybe entering like that, like you want to get a head start on the trade or, you know, whatever. But so I would just advise to start sample sizing things, start watching what we do and testing them out in the market, see if they work for you, and you'll find your groove. You'll find your groove. 40 minutes for the podcast. Hey, gang, this dude hit me up. His mind was blown. Like, He's like, this is probably gonna be like the biggest video we ever did. Like, he's like 900 comments, dude. He's like, this is wild. So shout out to all you guys, man, who left a comment. Like, man, that means the world to me. That really does, man. That's better than any money could buy. It's just like, you know, someone else who I respect, just being like, damn, bro, like, you got a crew, like, you got a family over there. You can just tell that you guys are tight. So I appreciate you guys, and we'll blow up the podcast when it premieres and stuff real quick too, because, you know, we'll blow his mind again real quick. He's gonna have all his people on the live premiere, I'm sure, and we'll just rush it. We'll just rush that thing, fill it up with like 1,000 people. Yeah. That happens to me as well. My biggest issue is closing too soon. Well, that's good, Lewis, because you're going to see us really work on that. You're going to see us really work on holding positions. I wouldn't say longer, like just to do it, because let's hold positions longer, but really holding positions until the logical target is tapped. Now, you may see us hit a couple more break-even trades in the process of all that, but I promise you, you guys are going to love, like, come January and February, as we're really practicing this day in and day out, you guys are going to love the results. I promise. We got you, Nick. Yes, sir. What up, TK? Who's the podcast with? Podcast is with Austin Silver from ASFX. Yeah, we'll blow the chat. We'll wait for like 8 a.m. and then we'll smoke the chat. As long as we don't have any positions or anything, and not, you know, we don't have to focus on our job here. We'll go have some fun with it. Yeah, Lewis. Yup. Hey, look, gang. If anything, you know, you could probably reflect for a lot of you guys. You know, remember, we're in this for the long game, like Lewis just said, right? So you're gonna look back at 2023, right? As you move into your career, you'll look back at 2023 as that was just 1 year, right? It was just 12 months. And one thing I think that a lot of you guys are going to be able to say looking back on 2023 is that, hey, in 2023, the main thing that I worked on was actually taking good trades, right? Like actually taking A+ trades, learning how to wait for them, learning how to prepare for them to set up, and not budging on any of those other trades, right? Those unnecessary trades, those unnecessary losses that we talk about. You know, I think this was a good year to really, for, you know, across the board, where people could say, hey, we finally honed in on what is a quality trade, you know, and once you know what a quality trade is, you know what a non-quality trade is, right? So you can start to avoid those now. So now you're just one step closer, right? One step closer to having a successful career. You took time and learned one major thing that most successful people do, right? So now it's about managing the trade, right? So now this year, and really for the first quarter, we're going to continue to get better at managing trades. And when I say managing, I mean, you know, cutting losers quicker, right? Holding winners longer, and really getting the full year, 12 months of doing that. I promise you guys are going to be blown away, because not only will you have a high win rate because you know how to take good setups, right? But now you're going to have a great RR, right? And you're going to know how to manage risk. So these are the three things that you will enhance and get better over the next 6 to 12 months by being on this stream, right? I promise. Never once did we ever say we were perfect traders. We're pretty good, not going to lie. We are pretty good, but we're not perfect, right? And we're always continuing to work and grow. And, you know, the community just continues to work and grow and, you know, get better at these little things as well. So it's all about, you know, the nuances to the game and just, you know, becoming the best you could be, right? The money is there, but can you be the best, right? Can you be the best trader that you can possibly be? And that's what we're out to accomplish here. So what up, Dino? Sergio. Austin Powers. Got my mojo back. Yeah, looking forward to 2024. Yep. And gang, we just take it day in and day out. Day in and day out. Right? That's it. Don't try and get too caught up on the future. Don't trip up too much on the past. We just day in and day out together, gang. We'll do it together. You know, that's the coolest part, is you don't have to be in the game alone, and we'll do it together. What up, George VDM? What's goody? Any advice about trading when you still have a full-time job? Yeah, you know, you got to do what you got to do, right? So you got to make things happen. You got to really focus and say, hey, what time do I have to dedicate to the charts? Maybe it's not here in the New York session, you know. Maybe it's in the Asian session. Maybe it's the London session. But you got to really lock in. And I would say trading needs to be, in a way, very, very systematic. So if you can find time in your day where you can show up day in and day out without distraction or without interruption, pick a session that allows you to do that, and then pick a pair that works really well in that session, right? And then if you like our system and our strategy, sample size that on that pair during that time. And being that you already have a full-time job, you don't need the money, right? It's not like you're desperate for money. You already have an income. So take time to really focus on the craft. You know, I think that's the biggest thing that traders have to understand, is that don't just rush in this thing to make money, right? The money will come, but first comes the craft, right? The discipline, the patience, the professionalism. We say it all the time. You know, you don't make $1 million trading and then decide to be disciplined, right? It just doesn't work like that, you know? So you got to really get those traits down, down pat, and focus. Let that be your focus, and then the money will follow, and eventually you'll replace your full-time job. You know, but just treat this thing like a side income for now. Don't try and go too crazy. Develop the skill set, develop the craft, and then, you know, turn up the jets a little bit. What up, AB Mike? What's good? Yeah, always, yeah, and don't ever get down that you got a job or you got 2 jobs. I mean, just look at it as like another stream of income. You know, as an entrepreneur, I never looked at a job as if that was going to be my career, or that was going to, you know, that's what defines me and that's who I am. Nah, I was just an entrepreneur. I mean, I was they were kind of ripping me off for my time, but you know, paying me X amount an hour. But I just tricked my own brain, right? I just thought, hey, you know, I'm just giving this guy a service and he's gonna pay me per hour, and it's just another stream of income for me. But my overall goal, my overall dream, my overall destination is what actually defined me, not the position that I was hired in. All right, so you always got to have that outlook. Is next week the last one for the year? Is it? I don't know. I think I told you guys the dates, right? Yeah. Next week, 18 to 22, man. That's the last week that we're gonna stream this year. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, and then we'll be back on the 8th. Yep. You gotta do a big giveaway. Yeah, man. I think we gave 15 funded challenge accounts out this year. Yeah, man. What a year it's been. What a year. What a year. Yeah, what's the biggest thing you guys have improved on in your trading this year? What's the biggest accomplishment? Not accomplishment, but what's the biggest thing you really started to understand? What was your biggest takeaway of the year? Nice, nice. A lot of good ones here. Oh yeah, nice. Fire, fire. Yeah, the ones about losing, that's a big one in trading. That's what holds a lot of people back, is they can't take a loss on the chin and keep it moving. They're just so soft. So soft. They start blaming other people. They start yelling at their wife and kids, kicking the cat, throwing a yeah, man. You got to really, if you want to be in this game, you got to learn how to lose, dude. Sorry, but yeah, you have to. You're going to lose trades. But yeah, if once you learn how to take a loss like a man or a woman and keep it moving like a pro, it's over. It's over. Discipline, yeah, a lot of patience, a lot of discipline, and that's what it takes. That's really, honestly, remember, trading is not as complicated as most people think. It's just really sticking to a system and really being disciplined and patient, right? Patient enough to let things play out during the session. Right, as you guys see, like, we joke about it, but like, clip it, TK, clip it, you know, like, these are ideas. Don't clip this, TK, but these are ideas, right, that we're anticipating and that we're willing to be patient on to get the best setup of the day, right? The best setup that makes sense according to our plan, right? So having the discipline to have that system, and then the patience to visualize it and, you know, wait for things to play out during your session is going to be a game changer. Game changer as you take that with you. I'm down money wise this year, but also learned so much. Yeah, exactly. That's tuition. You know, that's tuition. You got to pay to play. Yeah. And when you pay attention, right? When you take losses and you take hits in the market, you start to pay attention. I don't want to take losses like that anymore. Let me pay attention to what I'm doing here and figure it out. Oh, reading. Yeah, read so much this year. Nice. Discipline 2023 did it for me. Awesome. What up, Joe Fargo? That's good, brother. Hey, man, Alexandros. Simple, not easy. Yep. Awesome. Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. A lot of lessons this year, man. A lot of lessons. Yeah, a lot of you guys looking at price action a little bit differently too, right? Seeing price a little bit better. Nice. Oh, Mustajab, you're ignoring me again. Can't spam otherwise. Oh, I'm sorry. Gotta ask your question again. My bad. So anyway, gang, some of you guys are asking about pound yen. So yeah, so GJ very bearish here today. Looks like we obviously moved down. We created support, came back up, created this resistance. Seem to be starting to break the lows again. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour has a pretty strong resistance right here. And then you have a support right here, which is basically just a consolidation range on the 4 hour. Very, very clean traffic though coming down, right? Very clean traffic coming down here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is, yeah, so I was looking for a 1 hour potential move here if this bullish candle would have closed below. But if you do get this 1 hour candle here to close below the range, then I think that there is a nice opportunity here, right, to take sells. You have a support level right down here, and this would be the range that I could see a nice move happening in. So there may be an opportunity to take sells here on GJ come NY Open maybe, but as of right now, there's really nothing to do. For all we know, this candle may even close above the range there. So sells below 182, 290 here for me. Sells below here, and then buys. Yeah, buys aren't the greatest here, right? We're very bearish on the day, so not really interested in buys too much. Yeah, but if I was gonna take them, maybe above 182, 800. What kind of range are we looking at? Yeah, like a 30 pip range. So yeah, that's what I'll do. Cool. Yeah, coming down into support here. So that's the ranges that I'm looking at. But yeah, that's what I got going on here. Yeah, actually maybe range 2 buys above 82, 570 there. Range 2 buys, yeah. Cool. Yeah, so that's GJ. But taking a look at gold here, nothing, right? We closed right at support as well. So absolutely nothing for gold at this point. Yo, what's poppin'? What's goody? Oh wait, I'm waiting for Moose to jab. Yeah. Can't miss his next comment. I don't want to get Moose to jabbed, right? Ding, ding. Where's Moose the left hook though? I can't believe no one made a username yet. Yo, are those ads still popping up? About to call YouTube. No ads? I bet. Alright, cool. Yo, hero of the day. Hey, gang, thank you guys. I know I said thank you already, but those comments are very, very nice. Every time you guys leave comments, it really does warm my heart because you guys are so awesome, man. And I'm so happy that you guys feel that way. That was the point of us being up here. But hero of the day, bro, you are too funny, man. Oh, man. That was a funny one. Making barbecue all day long? Let's go. Yo, hero of the day commented and said, me and my wife are naming our next child Nick, regardless if it's a boy or a girl. Oh, man. You're funny, bro. Sorry I missed the prayer today. Batman. It's all good, man. I'm praying for a blessed day and blessed opportunities for you today. Specifically for you. Pray that the Lord would show you a sign today. A sign that you need. A sign that you've been asking for, looking for, and desperately seeking. When you seek Him with all your heart, it'll all happen, man. Let Him cook. What's the name of the Forex book you have read? I've read the Forex Mindset. I've read Trading in the Zone, and I've also read now at this point The Best Loser Wins. And a lot of you guys are horrible losers. You guys are the little kids that got all mad when you got beat one-on-one, huh? When I see Quakers, that's kind of what I think. I think, damn, that's the kid who would throw the ball. Sore loser. Which book was the best one? I personally like the Forex Mindset the best. Yeah, I like that one the best. That one was very applicable too. The Best Loser Win was good, but look, gang, I've already learned how to lose, right? I already know how to lose. You know, I've been in the entrepreneur game for a minute now, so it's been like a decade. I mean, I know some of you guys are like a decade, you know. Whatever, but for me it's been a while, you know, it really has, and I feel like I've learned a lot about mentality, a lot about mindset. I already know how to lose. I already know that losing is part of winning, you know. So that book was okay, but I think if you need that switch and that help mentally, then yeah, it's a really good book to get. But you know, it wasn't anything I haven't heard before. What up, Rafi? What's good, brother? Trading for a Living, another good book. Oh, never heard of that one. Outwitting the Devil. Yeah, that's one of my favorites. You guys see my bookshelf, right? Yeah. This one right here, the second one, that's where the gold is. And Outwitting the Devil is on that shelf. Any entry to book $5 profit? What? Bruh, what? Breathe air. Rob, you don't let your kids win? You shouldn't. Sorry, man. I'm going to have to boot you from the channel. See you later. Ready for the podcast? Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Yeah, we got, what, 15 minutes. Premieres at 8, I believe. Hey, boss. Hey, I'm now no one's boss. Who are the traders you look up to? I look up to guys like Lance Breinstein. I don't know if you guys have heard of them. Q Banks has always been a big inspiration for me. Not really with trading, but just what he's done. What he's done with his brand, what he's done in the community and stuff. You know, Raja, Don, those guys. That's about it. That's about it. A couple other guys that you wouldn't know their name because they're big multi-millionaire traders, but they don't really come on social media too much, you know. So they're just, I like listening to them, and some of them I have their phone numbers and get to talk with them, and yeah. What up, Landon? What are some must-read books you think are essential for people that have been in the game for a bit? Which game? Trading or entrepreneurship, personal development? You know, I always loved Rich Dad, Poor Dad. I thought that was a great book on how to learn about assets and liabilities. The Magic of Thinking Big, because, you know, you can't do anything big in life until you first believe you can do something big. So The Magic of Thinking Big is one of the best books I've ever read. The Slight Edge was one of the best books I ever read, because that just taught that, you know, success isn't this big, humongous thing. It is more so these little things done repeatedly day in and day out over time bring success. And that really got me process focused, right? That really got me, you know, not so much craving the results, but understanding that there's a process and falling in love with the process of things. That was a good book. That was The Slight Edge. What else? Think and Grow Rich. 5 a.m. Club. 5 a.m. Club was good because that kind of related a little bit to our modern times and this like whole internet, social media world, you know, that we live in. So that helped out a lot too. 5 a.m. Club was a really good book. And you know, I think everyone loves How to Win Friends and Influence People. You know, if you don't know how to win friends and influence people, then what are you gonna do, right? Everything we do, although could be product based or service based or whatever your product or service is, you still have to work with people, right? So if you don't know how to work with people, if you can't have a conversation, look someone in the eye, understand how to shake their hand, understand that people loved hearing their names, right? Then, you know, you're going to get ran over by the next guy. So especially when it comes to entrepreneurship and business and networking. How to Win Friends and Influence People is phenomenal. Yeah. Plus, you know what people like, right? And that's why every year I'll, you know, say happy birthday to people. But how do you remember? You know, because sometimes I'll just ask people, "What's your birthday?" And I'll secretly just jot it down, you know, on my calendar, and then it pops up, and I say happy birthday, and they go, "How the heck did this guy know it was my birthday? Damn, I feel special," right? So yeah, it was a good book. Oh, nice, nice. Goldie. Still no top wick on this 1 hour. Yeah, still very little top wick on the 1 hour candle here. Yeah, but the best book of all time is the Bible. And my question is, where is it? I know you got one. Where is it? All right, post it on my story today. You know what? I leave my Bible right here, not on this desk, but on my other desk, open right to the chapter that I'm gonna be studying that morning. So that way it's right in front of me, right? Some of you guys, your Bible is exactly where Satan wants it to be. Stuffed up in the back of your closet, collecting a bunch of dust, clothes all over it. And you know it's there, right? You get that little nudge to go grab it here and there. Bring it out, man. Get it out in front of you. That's going to be the best book. Where do you think Think and Grow Rich and all these books stem from, right? They all stem from, you know, God's Word. So why not go straight to the source? Yeah, I remember when the Holy Spirit was working on me early, I would finally pull the Bible out of the back of the closet and had it sitting on my like dresser, you know, but I would still avoid it. But I would go peek over at it, you know. I'm like, damn, I should open that right now. You know? You just get that little feeling. Yeah, open it up. Open it up. Yeah, all the answers are in there. That's the cool part. Right? God says you'll find me when? When you seek me with all your heart, right? Can you seek the Word? What up, Green? Hey, yo, that's the best color green. Green's picture there. That's the best green. That's the best shade of green. Oh, here's Mustajab. All right. Nick, I took buys in London session on the break of the first bullish candle that was an onion play on support. Made some money. Just want to know, was it valid or not? 30-minute time frame, Mustajab. Let's take a look. What time, though? What time? Right here. Okay, this is London Open. Yeah, right here. Minute time frame. Well, if it was this candle, then probably no, because I wouldn't buy if the candle had no top wick. If it was, I think this candle, 330, then that was pretty valid. Yeah, because he broke back above consolidation. Yeah, I probably wouldn't have taken this one either, just because the range was there. But once you had this closure, bottom wick, yeah, that was pretty good. Retest the high there. Looks like you got pretty much right there. Yeah, looks good. Why you time me out? Oh, Supra. I like that name, but I don't know. You must have did something that the mods didn't like. I don't time out. I don't time out. What would be a good place for someone to start in the Bible? Maybe a chapter like self-development. Proverbs, because Proverbs, like, they're like little tweets, right? That God put out there for us. Very easy to understand. Very practical wisdom. Yeah, I think Proverbs, and then Matthew. Timed out trading. Nick don't time out. He only bans. Yeah. I only ban. So anytime you hear me go, just know someone got banned, boy. Yeah, one of the biggest rules is don't make green mad. Oh, hold on, gang. All right. Yeah, I got some more furniture getting delivered here today, so they're gonna be here in like, I don't know, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Oh, let me go check out Austin's YouTube. Let's see if any of his people are in there yet. $900 comments. Yo, this dude hit me up. He was like, yo, this is wild. Too funny. Yo, what up, Sandman? Feeling blessed and highly favored, my brother. How are you, sir? What up, Bobby? Good morning. Shout out to Big Green out here in the yard. Don't mess with Green out here in the yard. The ranges are blah. Yeah, they're blah, but we should get volume to push through here at 8:30. Yeah, it's probably looking like a 9:15 trade here today. Clip it, TK. No, it's good. Looking like a 9:15, 9:30 here. Yo, let me just open up the door and stuff because I gotta listen for the knock at the front door. Let me just open the office door and all that stuff here. Give me 1 minute. All right. Dominic, you starving?
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Yes, sir, brother.
Brother, starved. Whoa. All right, yeah, so we are rejecting the support here on the 1 hour. 30-minute is going to close here, I think, right now. Yep, so 30 just closed. We do have NY open here. So, again, there is a lot of news coming out here come 8:30. So, very, very choppy on the 15. I don't think I'm going to be interested here until we get that news to come out. 4 hours still pretty bullish as well. I can see this 4 hour candle closing bearish here, but I'm not going to guess it, right? I'm not going to take a guess at it. So you guys can sell if you want to, but I am going to wait for the news here. Yep. Another one. Where do you recommend me to start? Start what? How can I start? Start what? Oh, the podcast is live? Oh. Yo, we should go run this up, chat. Let's go spam this dude's thing here. Let me put the link in the chat. Go jump on this premiere video and just spam it. Everyone wants to give away. Watch his viewers go up. Let's run his watch count up. Let's run the watch count up. What do we got? He's got 39 watching right now. 52. It's climbing. It's climbing. Let's go. Yo. Oh, what do we say? We talk about that all the time, right? Fine line. Oh, thank you guys. Yeah, look at all you guys coming in there. Let's go. Green. This is a good conversation too. I'll probably listen to this a little bit later. Obviously, I can't listen to it now, but yo, pump these viewers up. Pump it up. A+ or nothing. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not going to take a sell here. If we didn't have news coming in at 8:30, I probably would be interested off the 1 hour. But there's a major support right here too that we've already rejected. Oh, yep. Spam in the chat. It's okay if our chat doesn't move right now, as long as his chat's moving. He's gonna be like, damn. Oh, we talk about Raja Banks. I'm going to listen to this one a little bit later. Yeah, thank you guys for spamming. Spam them up. Hit them hard. I got to keep my my headset up a little bit here because I got to hear the door.
Description to this video wherever you're listening or watching. So if you're not using a trade journal to track your trades and see your stats,
oh yeah, he uses TradeZella too. Yeah, we're gonna be using TradeZella here in a little bit too. Big dubs in the chat. How many people we got here on the live stream? 1,300. Yo, if all of you guys can open up on your phone or on a different device and jump in there and let's literally break this dude's watching now count. Which prop firm can I recommend? I would say the Funded Trader. Yeah, that's the one I'm using right now. Yeah. Yeah, the Funded Trader. I'm gonna look into a few more as well. Hey Nick, you said you already formed range 2, so let's wait for range 2 to take buys. I'm struggling to see myself where we already formed the range 2. Oh yeah, so as you see, price, I think we had buys above here last night, right? So we had buys above here during the Asian session. So wouldn't have really been interested in these buys. I think it made sense like price action wise, but now that you've created a resistance, you've also created a second support here. If we close above now, so basically this was like your range 1 last night on the open right here. This was like your range 1, or this right here was your range 1 for buys. And now that you've created a new support here and you have a resistance, now this becomes your range 2. Yeah, so you basically got range 1 here, range 1 right here. So no buys here, so I wouldn't take these buys, not 10 but 1. And then range 2, now you have a new support, new resistance, and then these are going to be your range 2 buys, you know, in this overall area here. Yeah. Yep. Ooh. What up, Scott Smith? Yeah, we're going to get every one of those 5K accounts here today, too. Yeah. Improve my losses. Let's go. Oh, just kidding? Uh-oh. How do you develop discipline? You start with little things. You know, you have to start with little things. You don't want to try and like overdo it, you know, too early on. You really want to focus on little things like that are obtainable, right? Things that don't really make like this huge, oh, I got to do this or I got to do that. Just these little tiny things. You start small, and to be honest, you got to really understand what is your why. You know, what is it that you're after in life? That for me, it just makes me disciplined. You know, me having a family, me needing to provide, you know, be a man, you know, wanting to be a man, wanting to be better. That alone helps me be disciplined. So I would just, if you're struggling, start small and get consistent and give yourself high five every now and then, right? Like, damn, yeah, I know I don't usually do this or don't usually do that, but I did it today. Like, I don't know, maybe do 10 push-ups a day, right? If you want to get in shape, maybe do 10 push-ups. Maybe instead of eating cookies, you know, eat something else tonight for a snack, or don't eat anything, right? Go one day with no snack, and then another day and another day. Yeah, I think it all comes back to the why. You know, why are you doing what you're doing? Why do you want to be disciplined in the first place? What's it gonna do? Stare at the doorknob. I'm enjoying the podcast. Oh, nice. You guys lighting it up or what? Literally just need discipline. Discipline will change everything for you. So one thing too that I learned is that when I wasn't disciplined, I would fail a lot, right? I would take bad trades or, not take good trades, be uncomfortable in my trades, uneasy. But when I stayed disciplined to one system when it comes to trading, I like the results of it. Same thing with my dieting, right? When I stayed disciplined to only eating, lean cuts and staying away from junk food and going to the gym a couple days a week, I liked the results of it, right? And I knew the results of not being disciplined is I would be some fat dad and can't even do a pull-up, right? So didn't want that. That's like the nightmare. So, you got to be, some people are motivated by the dream, some people are motivated by the nightmare, but discipline, man, got to be disciplined in these areas. That way you see the result, you understand, hey, I like that result and I want more of that result. And that will naturally get you to be disciplined, right? You'll find joy in it. You'll find joy in the process. That's why I tell you guys, I really enjoy the process of things because I'm a disciplined individual and I want to continue to get more discipline and more discipline as the months and years go on here. Yeah, think about the most important person in your life. Think about if you're disciplined, what kind of future they could have. And if you're not disciplined, what will the future of them look like? Sometimes you can't even get motivated for yourself. You got to put it on someone else. You got to say, my wife or, my kids or my mom or, my great grandma, right? You gotta do it for someone else. Sometimes we can't get motivated for our own wants or needs, right? But to be able to provide, sometimes that gives you an extra boost of motivation. I'm a fat dad. Listen, hey, you don't have to stay a fat dad, right? Look, fat dad, fat family. I don't take it the wrong way, right? But it's something I see very often. Fat dad, fat family. You are the leader, right? You are the leader. So if dad is, sitting on the couch eating chunky monkey ice cream, the kids are gonna do the same, right? Scrolling on the phone, puffing on a Juul, right? Kids are gonna want to follow. But if dad's sitting there doing push-ups every chapter of a self-development book, he ain't sitting on the couch, he's walking on a treadmill, he's reading, he's jumping down to do push-ups, he's in the mirror screaming affirmations, positive affirmations, what do you think those kids are going to want to do? Same thing, right? So we are the example. All right, what are we going to do? We got 17 minutes here for the news. Again, I'm not taking these sells, but I'm going to wait here on news and see what happens. Yeah, last thing you want to do is enter these sells, and then price decides to move up here for news. Boom, there you go. Yep. Good for you and your dad. Honestly. Seriously. Good for you and your dad. Where's Sam at? I don't know. I'm not too sure. Where's John? Where's John? Where's Sam? Where are the boys? Yo, these guys with the furniture that are moving stuff in and out, man, they better not come while we're locked in, because they're gonna be waiting. Sorry. Yo, give me 10 minutes. Classic Trader. Hey, hope you feel better, bro. Prayers for Classic. I'll pray full healing in Jesus' name. Yeah, Classic, it's done. Why do I have this zone here? Because there's a support there, so I want to make sure I'm aware of that. And if we do decide to range here, like shoot up and do all this crazy stuff for news, and then close back below after news, then I may be interested in this range here. If not, I'll wait for 77. Yeah, there you go, Bugs. There you go. Dad leading by example. Hey, Tom Parker, congrats, man. Congratulations. Love it. That's what we're here for. That's what we do. That's what we do. Thanks, Frank. What is trade journaling? Trade journaling is where you journal your trades, right? So this is where you collect data. So I'll show you my trade journal. And this is where I collect data, right? Every single month, every single trade gets recorded. I've been doing this for 3 years now. And just recording every trade, the time, the date, the pair, the position. I have a playbook, so I have like 3 setups and 3 entry types, and it's either one of them, right? So I put whichever one it is. I put the entry type in there. I put what time frame I took it off, my risk, and then closing positions, right? And the result. So that has helped me collect data. I can very easily see this, look at what works, what doesn't work, what could improve, what is doing just fine. And I've been collecting this data now for about 3 years. So I've been testing my own playbook, and just about every year we've had about an 80% win rate. So yeah, so every trade gets entered in here. And you know what, if you enter your trade in here and you're like, what setup type was that, and you can't pick one of your 3, you just took a dumb trade outside of your trading plan, right? It may not be a dumb trade, but it is dumb if you take a position outside of your plan. It's just dumb move. So yeah, so everything gets documented, and this breeds confidence, man. This helps you understand the data, helps you understand, what works for you, what doesn't, and helps you improve. Yeah, I highly recommend you guys all journal your trades. What other trades, or what other pairs do we trade? We trade gold, GJ, and we're going to be trading NASDAQ here in like 2 weeks. We've been sample sizing NAS 100 for about 6 months, so we're ready to go. Can we get the journal? Yeah, you guys can get the journal. There it is. Nightbot's going to spit it out there in the chat for you. Yo, what up, Hunter? Are the likes frozen? Oh, hey, if you guys could like the stream, that would be amazing. And go spam Austin stream. How's that going? Let me log back in. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. 72 watching. I see some of you guys. I see you, Forex Frank. Oh, yeah, it's premiering right now. Yeah, give the stream a like. This is my dude, man. Good guy here. Show him some love. Yo, TK. Yanosh. Yanosh is in the house. What up, Yanosh? GCAD. That might be one of Austin's guys. Yeah, I seen Forex Frank saying something about AUD USD. Was I just talking about that? Yeah, some of you guys know my my breakthrough story, honestly. Not, I wouldn't say breakthrough, but boosted so much belief in me, man. The fact that I made like $300 on a trade, I looked at my wife, I said, we're about to be rich. Check the food section. Uh-oh. Yeah, this Austin Silver doesn't live that far from me here. He lives in, well, he doesn't live that far from me, so we'll probably do the next one in person. And then me and him are probably gonna do some sort of a Tampa meetup. So keep an eye out for that. Tampa meetup coming soon. Yeah, for all traders. So if you guys are in Tampa, me and Austin are gonna put something together. Oi! Always in the chat. Yeah, or if you could make it out to Tampa too, maybe we'll try and do some sort of a weekend thing. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, so if you guys do want it, so click the link that Nightbot spit out for you, and then just go to File, make a copy, and then you'll be able to make this a blank canvas, and you can start to track your trades there. I'm gonna be using TradeZilla for next year, but I will continue to use this as well on the live stream. But we'll probably like space a couple, put 2024, and then just run it again. So I'm also gonna use TradeZilla though, and have that link to my MT5 moving forward. Gonna try TradeZilla. Yeah, hang tight on getting TradeZilla. I'm gonna see if I could work a relationship with the owner there and see if maybe I can get him to hook us up with, I don't know, maybe discount, I don't know, something. Yeah. All right, cool. So we got 7 minutes left here. Yo, why did he make the live now? Yeah. Traders are trading, man. Yeah, we'll see if we get the TTE discount code going. How to reset the Google Sheet. You just got to go up to File and then make a copy. So File, make a copy, and then you should be good to delete everything and make it fresh. So how long did the sells last? 9 pips? Who got in? Will you be having another boot camp? Yeah, we're going to try and get some dates here for you guys pretty soon. Probably going to be mid-February as we move into Q1. Give us some time to really implement some of the things that we have to work on and regroup there. So anyone who was in the first boot camp, come back to the second one. We're going to kind of regroup and talk about some of those changes that we made and how well they did, what worked, what didn't, and all that good stuff. So we'll get a date out pretty soon. Yeah, we're already talking about it. So we got my ocean. What am I waiting for an entry? I'm waiting for news. So I'm waiting 5 minutes. I'm going to wait for 8:30, and then I'm going to see where price wants to go, and I'm going to follow price at that point. Where's the boys on Zoom? I don't know. Is Zoom? Yeah, Zoom's on. I don't know where they're at. They're waiting for news, I guess. Expectations on date, probably mid-February. So some of you guys know my wife is having our 3rd child, and that's gonna be happening like late January, early February. So gotta get all that situated, and then probably mid-February. We'll get exact dates out. Maybe next week. The guy doesn't think much of Raja. Yeah, he was trying to get me to trying to hit me with the Raja stuff. But I'm like, yo, me no speak English. Give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. Pal's preparing to screw everyone. Holy. Johnny Boy's in the house. What's good, John?
Yo, what's up, Nick?
What's up, John?
Good, bro.
What's good, John?
What's up, Nick?
What's good, John?
What's up, Nick?
Where the boys at?
Yo, what's poppin', bro? How you doing?
Blessed and highly favored, man. How about you?
Blessed and highly favored as well, man.
Oh,
And couldn't ask for any more, right? I'm blessed.
Hold on, let me fix my camera.
Gonna be a great day. Best day of my life today. You already know. What's good, chat? What up, what up?
Yo.
Hey, yo, another day to be patient, another day to be disciplined to the system. Let's do it. Let's go.
Did you give a like to Austin's channel?
I'm gonna go leave a like for ASFX channel. I'm about to go do that right now. Ooh.
A lot of times.
Hey, yo, I'm about to watch this podcast and do some dream building today. That's the plans for today.
We're running. TK's in the chat. George VDM's in the house. Let's go.
TK. Let's get TK. George.
Oh, he's doing some cash giveaways here.
Yeah, this podcast is about to be great.
Check the food section. Uh-oh. What we got going on in the TT food section here today?
Already?
You're gonna make me hungry.
Starting this already?
Starting this early on Alexandros. Oh. Steak, mashed potatoes, and some peas. Okay. All right, my guy. I like it.
Looks pretty good.
Yo,
not gonna lie.
Anyone? Yeah. Hello, me. I'll take some. What is that?
Heck is that?
Oh, let's go on the go. Oh yeah, you don't need this though. This whatever this green stuff is here. Yeah, you don't need none of that.
Is that steak?
Swipe it off. Get it out of there. Oh,
yeah, man. That stuff's disgusting me.
Oh, hold on. They're knocking on my door. Hold on one sec.
Green stuff. Got visitors, eh? Yeah, get those vegetables out of here. No, I'm kidding. I'm not trying to, you know, everyone's got their own personal thing they like, and that's totally fine. Good morning. Hey, good morning, Dominic. What's up, brother? How you doing? Nah, man, I'm with you with the no greens game, though. Yeah. Oh, yeah, news out here. Being a nice bullish push, as you guys can see. Yeah, we only eat celery and onions. That's it. Hey, what's up, Project Turo? What's good, my man? What's the news website? Forex Factory. Go on Forex Factory. You can see the folders. You can see how the numbers play out, you know. Good morning, Dina. What's up, Paraz? You're losing every day. What what should you do? Man, I say look at your trades and ask yourself, what are you doing wrong? Like, why are you losing? How could you lose less? And then also ask yourself, do you have a system that you're locked in with right now? Do you have setups with, you know, backed up data that you have? Like, you have 2 or 3 setups that you are looking for? Or are you just taking trades, right? Do you know what you're looking for, right? Do you have a plan when you come to the charts? You know, ask yourself that. Because remember, we need to make sure we have a plan when we come to the charts, right? That's a reason why a lot of traders fail. They come to the charts with no plan. Remember, we need to have a plan, right? We need to know what we're looking for, and we need to have a plan that's gonna help us and protect us, right?
Wow, that's why we didn't take sells there, gang. Holy.
Hell no.
Oh, what's going on? He's asking, how come everyone's typing years in the chat? What are we talking about?
Years. I have no idea.
Oh, hold on one sec.
Yeah, set views. My stream will be up in January next year, January 2024. It's gonna be the second trading week. Yeah, I'm hyped for this ASFX podcast with brother Nick. It's gonna be fun. What's good, Sam, man? Yeah, I'd love to just get wisdom, more and more wisdom every day, more and more knowledge every day. I don't like to overthink it. I just like to use it, right? Just use it in your constructive, use it for constructive reasons. Don't overthink the knowledge. Just use it. I feel like a lot of people can get confused with that, right? We just need to simplify things in life, right? Don't overthink things. Don't overthink knowledge. Just use the knowledge. What's up, Sergio? My man.
All right. Yeah, sweet, guys. Thanks for bearing with me. I got people here moving furniture and doing all that, delivering furniture and all that good stuff.
Oh, bro.
But yeah, cool. Price moved up. Activated all the sellers. That would have been us. But we've experienced this too many times before to be lured in. So looks like price is moving up here. anything above 83 is pretty clean. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. 4-hour looks good to continue up as well. If we can pull back a bit, have ourselves a nice 4-hour wick fill, come like 9:15, 9:30, we've got clean traffic coming up, and that'll be the area in which I'm looking to take a position in here today. So everything's setting up. It's not ready yet, but it's loading.
Patience.
Patience. What do I need to do to become a full-time trader? You gotta make money. You gotta make enough money in the markets to where you can survive without any job. Do you still go live for FOMC? Yeah, we're gonna go live. We'll have another live stream here later on today. What challenge you prefer?
Yeah, y'all really.
Royal. I would go with the Royal. Let me make John's mic a little higher. One sec. Actually, it should be good. Yeah, you might have to talk a little louder.
All right, bro.
I'll be right back.
That's exciting for Nick. Nick's got some furniture getting moved in. Very exciting. Yeah, we need to really study the successful traders, right? We got to look at successful traders, the unsuccessful traders, and we got to separate ourselves, right? We got to separate ourselves from the unsuccessful traders and do what the successful traders do, right? The things we say up here, we don't just say them for no reason, right? We say them because they're the laws, right? They're the principles to success, and we want to do what the successful traders do, right? You want to be a successful trader, you got to start to become that successful trader, right? You got to start acting like it. You got to start doing the habits of the successful trader, so really study successful traders. And, everything we preach, right, comes from successful traders, right? We focus on patience, discipline, following your plan, those stuff is what we're talking about. Yeah, Sergio, sorry about that. Yo, sorry for my London traders. I was super busy last night. I mean, we'll be here tomorrow. I'll be on tomorrow. Yeah, I'm sorry about that, y'all. I've been super busy with some things here. But we're gonna be on a fixed routine here. Not right now. I'll be on tomorrow. But we're gonna be on a fixed routine starting 2024 year. Don't worry about it. We'll be on a fixed schedule by then. Any advice to grow your account? Yeah, lock in a strategy and just follow the strategy every day.
Simple.
It's that simple. And remember, just focus on the process of trading, right? Don't focus on the result of your trades. Focus on the process.
What's the prize? Hey, you guys love giveaways, huh?
Of course, who doesn't?
Do we always trade gold? Yeah. No, I don't trade US 30. Gold, GJ, and you'll see us trade NAS 100 as well.
Freaking NASDAQ.
Took a sell at the top. Top of what? Top of the bottom? Would you take a sell? Nick has on my favorite shirt. Oh, you like my shirt? Yeah, it's my Jesus shirt. My mic is low? Maybe I'm just talking low. How about now? 0.07% from daily drawdown. Hey, yo, walking a tightrope.
Oh.
Where's Sam at? I don't know. Hit him up in the Discord. Hit him. Hit him with a
Oh, wait.
He's too loud? Oh, I thought you guys said John was too low. I put him all the way on blast.
Damn. Yeah, lower me, bro.
Miscommunication. Talk now.
Mic check. Mic check.
There you go. Talk now.
Mic check.
All right, I think that's good.
All right, better. John Ferguson. My YouTube channel is not up yet. Once it's up, trust me, we will let you know.
TT hat. Hey, yo, I got TT shirts. TT shirt.
Yep. TT merch is coming, bro.
My wife be rocking the juicer shirt all the time. Even when we go out. Juicer.
Facts, bro. Life's bullish, man.
Hey, what are you bullish on this year?
Facts.
What are you guys bullish on?
Facts. What was everyone's like biggest takeaway?
Yeah, nah, we already talked about that.
Okay.
Yeah. A lot of patience, a lot of discipline, a lot of no more quaking.
A lot of lessons. A lot of lessons we learned this year. So grateful for the year.
Are you going to be watching Jake Paul? No, probably not. Friday night? Nah, but I probably will catch the UFC fight on Saturday. Do I follow ICT? Thoughts on that? I don't follow them. The only thoughts I have is that there's a lot of people that use it. Seems like it works well. Breathe air, Quaker shirt. I'm bullish on my bank account. Let's go.
Hey.
Bullish on TTE here. If TTE was a stock, sheesh.
Ooh. I put all my bread in it.
Being more disciplined in every aspect of life. Yeah, that's the cool part about discipline is it rubs off. It rubs off on all areas of life. It becomes almost like addicting. Right? You see the results in one area, you go, oh, damn, if I'm a discipline in this other area, maybe I get good results there. You know, all your desires are on the other end of discipline.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 4-hour candle to close up shop here. YOLO traders in the house. What up, YOLO?
YOLO trader. Yeah, daily closed right at that support as well. Today.
You guys hear all the noise in the back?
Nah.
No? Oh, nice.
They came early.
Yeah, we were their first stop.
Oh.
Got to give these boys an excess on the way out.
Word.
What do you think about people saying day trading's gambling? It is, unless you have an actual edge. So unless you have an actual edge or an actual system that is built out via using previous data, then otherwise it is a gamble, right? I can easily press, I could have pressed sell right here, or anytime yesterday or the day before, it made thousands of dollars. But that doesn't make me a good trader. So like Mark Douglas says, anyone could put on a trade and make money, right? Anyone can throw some dice out and make money. Anyone can throw some cards out and make money. But do you have a system, right? If you have a system, then that now allows you to work in probability. And when you work in probability, you're no longer on the gambling end. But just always keep in mind, and I say this often, is that there is a fine line between being a professional and being a gambler here. And that has a lot to do with discipline and being very, very disciplined to your trading plan. Right? If you break your plan, you're gambling. If you stick to your plan, the one that works based off of previous data, then you're more so on the line of being a professional. Yep. But hey, life is a gamble. Right?
Yeah.
Life's a gamble. You go out, drive your car, go to the store. There's a gamble right there.
Every day is a risk.
You know, so you got to be calculated. See, that's why we didn't get into buys or sells here yet. We're just waiting. You just get paid to wait in trading.
Importance of candle closures.
Yeah. All right, let me see how these guys are making out. What do we have? 13 minutes, so we're big chilling. Give me like 2 minutes.
You got time, bro. Yeah, enjoy the Jomo. Yeah, y'all. Candle closures are hella important, right? You see this the previous candle looked like it wanted to go bearish, right? Next candle went bullish, right? So we need candle closures for more information, right? Because candle closures are the market's talking back to us, giving us more information, more clues on what's going to happen next, right? So I remember when I was learning that, I had to write that down on my whiteboard in big letters, wait for candles to close. So, pretty important. Johnny Stu, how you doing? I'm doing absolutely amazing. Hank, how are you doing? Hope you're doing good, man. Breathe there. Yeah, breathe there. Deep breaths. Yeah, so true, Steve. Everything is a risk. Life's a risk. Man, I love this saying, the biggest risk of all is not taking any risk. Right? What's up, John Wayne? What's up, Forex Frank? Yeah, yo, there's a difference, right? To be profitable long term in this game, right? You can't just show up to the charts and, you know, not have a plan, not have a strategy to bag some profits, right? You're just gonna show up to the charts and just gamble, right? Take whatever you see and just gamble, right? No, like that's not gonna work, right? You gotta have a plan. You gotta have a strategy to follow to, you know, be profitable long term here. What's up, Goldwick?
All right, we good. They're gone.
Oh, damn, they're done?
Yeah. The boys move fast. Man, they got enough cologne on. I thought they were going on a date. What you need cologne for, bruh?
How's it look, bro? How's the furniture look?
Fire. It looks fire.
Yeah, bro.
Anna's gonna be like, damn. Kids are gonna be like, whoa.
Yeah. Yo, that's lit. Yeah, they be doing that quick.
Yeah. All right, we're locked and loaded here. So we're ready to go. So we're gonna wait 10 minutes here for this 4-hour candle to close. Again, we don't want to take our buys too quick here. We don't know if this candle is gonna close bullish or bearish here today. So if we do close back within the range, then we will continue to wait, right? And if we do get closures, let me take a look at the daily 1 minute. All right, yeah, if we do get closures above or below these ranges on the 30-minute time frame, that's when we're gonna go ahead and look to anticipate moves here. So we either want to see something of this nature, right? Closure below, and we will take our trades right here. This will be the break-even point for me. Go break even, and then full target will be down here at whatever this is, 73, 74-ish. So that's what I'll be anticipating. TK, you could clip that. And then if we do decide to break up, then there may be opportunity here for buys. Right, so if we can get this candle to close above like this, then what I would say is we wait for 9:30, right? And we wait for the 4-hour candle to give us a pullback, potentially set up a celery play, and we will look to take our buys now moving up in this range here, right around 9:30. So let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can get it. So that's kind of the two scenarios I'm looking at here for gold. As the 4-hour comes to a close, let's just wait. We got 8 minutes left. We've been waiting all session. We can wait another 8 minutes, and then we'll get some direction there. But pretty clean ranges all around here. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Pretty good. The one thing I don't want is us to remain in the range for until later on today, right? Just kind of range here. So that's also a possibility. And then we break out again around 2:30 p.m. when Papa Pal comes to the stage.
2:30 p.m.
How's the interview going? You guys still watching it? Is it still on? Let me check. 904 comments.
Consistently to remind yourself to stay disciplined? Like, do you look at your daughter every morning before you start trading? Like, this is for you.
Yeah.
I used
How
to
y'all
do
like
that.
an
I used to
interview?
still blow accounts. I'm like, no, it's my baby. But, nah, man.
See what you.
Yeah, yeah, no, it's a good conversation. How to set up a trading plan? Pretty simple. You gotta figure out when can you trade. Right? When do you have time to actually sit down and focus on this, right, and take it serious? And then whatever time that is, you want to understand, hey, what pairs are trading during that time? And then you can lock down a time. You can lock down some pairs, and now you need to lock down a system and a playbook. And if I were you, and if you want to, since you're asking me, I would say go to our YouTube channel that you're on right now. Come over here to the videos and check out this playbook video right here. This video right here. Check that out. You may learn a thing or two. Maybe you follow our playbook, or maybe you just learn about a playbook in general. And then you can kind of create your own playbook from this video here. So highly recommend checking that out. Takes a little bit of time, but we got time. Takes a little bit of time, but time is all we got. GJ trying to make a move down here as well. 4-hour candle ripping now. Never created that top wick though. So yeah, we'll see what happens with pound yen here. We got 5 minutes. Gold setting up pretty nicely. Yep. Did Austin do the giveaway yet?
tie it into a correlation.
You doing? What kind of giveaway?
Showing the discipline in his
doing a cash
gym,
giveaway,
he can show discipline on his trading.
Nice.
But if I'm in the gym like once a week, every other week, like you said, if I, again, there's a million analogies. When I was younger, bro, my soccer.
Yeah. Do we need range 2 for buys? No, we have our range 2. So we would need a range 2 to take buys in this area here. Right here. So if we're going to take these buys, we need a range 2. But now we have our range 2, right? We have a new support. We have that resistance. It just happens to line up with this resistance. And now we have a clean range to the left. So as we were trading in this range to begin the day, right here, right? This was to begin the day. So as you got a closure here, this is where you would have need range 2 buys. So you were still in range 1 at this point, but now we have created that second range, and now this becomes range 2. So yeah, this was our beginning range. Breakout here, no buys, wait for range 2. You got your support, got your resistance. If you get a closure above, you got clean traffic to the left, and price should fill that wick there. How much is the cash giveaway? I don't even know. I'll be honest, I'm not too sure. I don't know. $5. All right, everyone. Thanks for hanging in. Here's $1.
Go get yourself an Arizona.
Go get yourself an Arizona iced tea. Am I gonna trade FOMC? Yes. Yeah. We'll be streaming later on too. So we'll be streaming at 2:30 p.m. No, 1:30 p.m. Eastern. GJ not looking bad here. Do I ever trade Asian session? Yeah, I do sometimes. Yeah, during Asian session, I'll usually obviously during New York, I'm on the live stream, so I'm gonna be watching the whole time. But during Asian, I just mark my charts up and I look like every 30 minutes. I just look at 30-minute closures. Give me the dollar. Dominion funding. Oh, playbook. That's a big thing with trading. Playbook. If everyone donates $1. Oh yeah, yo, chat, by the way, we're going to be doing something really special for the kids this year. We're going to be taking all that dono money that you guys give, plus we're going to put more of our own in as well. And yeah, so what my church is doing is that basically we're buying all the stuff, like all the toys, and the families are going to be able to come in. So families that really can't afford, gifts and presents and stuff for their kids, they're going to be able to come into the store and shop, right, with their kids, and their kids are going to be able to pick things out, and all paid for by other people and TTE. And yeah, so you guys have been a blessing here this year, even if you don't know it. Some little kids are going to get some gifts, and they're not going to, have to think, oh man, mommy and daddy didn't have enough money. They're not going to know anything. They're just going to think they're walking in the store with their parents and picking out what they want, and, their parents are going to be able to get it. So yeah, cheers to you guys. TTE made a big difference this year. So W.
Yeah, shout out y'all.
Yep. Still trying to figure out how to get the cash out of YouTube. Well, I still have to figure stuff out with YouTube, but I'm just gonna take whatever. I'm just gonna see how much is there and hand it over. Oh, the podcast ended? Nice. Did they do the giveaway? Yeah, you know, it could be very shameful for parents to really have to go through that, you know, and honestly, it's for the parents, in my opinion. You know, some of these people are just really struggling, and I've been there, bro. Like, me and my wife, we would just literally have nothing. So, thank God we didn't have kids at that time. I could just imagine what that would be like. But yeah, we get to make Christmas a little special. All right, so 4-hour candle did close. We did close bullish. We're pumping right out the gate here in the first 30 seconds. That's never fun. We got to wait for a bottom wick before we do anything here today. 15-minute did close above. There is a wick to fill. You do have clean traffic coming up towards 88 here, but we do need a bottom wick, right? So I'm not going to budge on anything unless we actually do get some sort of a bottom wick, or we see the 15-minute candle move down like this, right? And give us a new support, and this will be our 4-hour bottom wick. We'll understand, okay, we're in good position to move up if we've created support, and if we get a support like this, then there's a high chance we will move up. But first things first, we need a bottom wick on the 4-hour. Don't want to jump the buys too. Yeah, GJ closed no bottom wick. Yeah. So 4-hour candle closing no bottom wick. So there goes all our hopes there for pound yen at the current moment. And Goldie. We got to wait. Just wait on it. Yeah, because we don't want to get a fake out here, right? So you don't want to get faked out here buying too quickly, right? Because the 4-hour candle can just easily do something like this, right? We are pretty bearish. This could be a new high here, right? Something like this, and price could drive back down. So we don't want to jump the gun too quickly here until we get actual confirmation. Hey, yo, thank you guys for donating. Thank you. You didn't have to do that, fun lover. Very nice, very nice.
W.
Yeah, we'd love to see a 15-minute candle close here, and then we'll go about our business. What time is it to you? Right now it is 9 a.m. 9 o'clock in the morning. How do I donate? It's all right. Honestly, maybe donate to something local by you. I think we got everything covered. I think we're good to go. So, yeah, maybe there's some people in need by you, you know, that you can actually physically donate to. Yeah. How long you been trading and had the channel? Been trading since 2019, had the channel since February this year. Just finished the podcast. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'll have to listen to it a little bit later. Let's see what the daily's looking like here. So daily broke the lows earlier. See if we're trying to come back up and re-break the highs now with that wick fill. So we'll see. The news created that new high. So we'll see what happens here. 15-minute is. I'm gonna wait for this 15 to close here, only because it's the new 4-hour candle. Right, it's the new 4-hour candle. So I'm gonna give this a little bit of time, see what happens here, and then maybe look for positions at 9:15, 9:30 here. What up, Alan Forex? Alan FX. I'm from ASFX. Nice to be here. Hey, nice to have you here. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. If you need any help, just let us know. Be water, my friend. Yo, yo.
Butter. What's up, Alan?
You gained 28K subs in 10 months. Yeah. Yeah, God did it, man. Yeah, I was just consistent. Just showed up day in and day out. Be butter. How many people we got here? Oh, 1,888 people. Welcome, everyone. If you guys haven't liked the stream, and you can, give the stream a like for me today. And if you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We set a goal for 20K thinking that was insane, but we hit 20K and then we hit 25K, and now we're going to see if we can push to 30. So if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, give the channel a sub and help us hit the goal. Yeah, we'll see if we can hit it. 30 would be insane. Oh, late.
You do it. Oh, damn.
Hey, yo. With you for the last 4 months? Yo, thanks for the dono, man. Thank you, thank you.
That's a W.
That will go to good use. Thank you, thank you. You didn't have to do that.
Damn.
Thank you very much, though. Blessings to you, my friend. Cheers from Brazil. Hey, yo, cheers. All right, we're coming up to the high here, so let's see what happens. We broke the high there on the 15. So we know we have the NYSE. We have the open coming up in 30 minutes, or more like 20 minutes. So we're gonna see what happens there. I'm okay with. I'm totally fine with letting this go until 9:30 gets here. We'll see how 9:30 looks, or 9:15, and then I'll look to see if we can get some entries. Yeah. The win rate is of 10 months. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, this that win rate up top is from February. Yep. Tracked all the trades right here. And all these trades, by the way, gang, if you guys look at our journal, they're all documented, so they're all in the live streams. If you guys want, as we have our little break in the new year, go back and watch these trades play out. Watch the winners, watch the losers. Just so you guys know, I didn't do anything different on the trades that we took a win to when we took a loss. You know, trading is probability, and if you can understand that and get that through your head, you will have a much easier time on your trading journey, right? Understanding that everything is a probability game here. So didn't do anything special on the winners that I didn't do on the losers. You know, just did the same thing. But if you have a good system and a good playbook, the end result will be there for you, right? I never get too focused on the 2 or 3 trades ahead of me. I'm always looking towards the next 50 to 100 trades, because, you know, that's where your edge really gets the opportunity to show. GJ closed with no bottom wick. That's right, no bottom wick. Let's take a look at NASDAQ real quick. Four-hour close bullish here. Yeah, wow, NASDAQ's on a run here. Damn. Sheesh. Yeah, we've been waiting for a weekly pullback here, but yeah, honestly, Nas not looking the hottest here today. Let's take a look to the left. Yeah, we did close with like no top wick, so not going to touch anything here on NASDAQ yet. If we can get a pullback, create support, then I think we can move up towards like 16,400-ish. somewhere in that range up there. But as of right now, I'm not going to touch anything here. Close with no top wick, so that's never the best sign. And then gold here is struggling a little bit, so we'll see. Yo, don't go after me. Yeah, go after TK, bro. Blame it on TK. TK, what you doing out here, bro? I don't want no problem with a man named John Wayne.
Facts, bro. Hey, Sam the man.
Sam's here?
In the chat.
Sammy boy.
Good Sam.
Oh, my father has recommended you. He is a big trader. He told me you are the best to learn. Oh, wow. It's oh, nice. Been good. 300% up on my account. Very, very nice. Hey, thanks for the dono, by the way. And yeah, welcome.
Fire.
Plug on in. Yeah, that's the thing, gang. Like, there's so many different strategies. Every strategy works. What you really want to hone in on, if you're still a struggling trader or if you're still early on in your journey, you don't really want to, I mean, you do want to learn system, but you really want to learn mentality, right? Every trader has the same, every successful trader comes with the same mentality. They may all have different systems and different outlooks and different strategies and different playbooks and all that stuff, but the mindset, right? The mentality is what is the same. It's the common theme throughout all successful people, not even just traders, but people in general. So, you know, that's the wisdom that you really want to catch on to, right? The charts, you know, you could learn that in just a couple of weeks, but the mentality and the mindset, it has to become a lifestyle. And as you develop that, things will go much smoother for you in your journey, and you'll be able to view this this game a little bit differently.
Yeah. Gotta go off principles. Just like anything in life. Anything you want to be successful at, there's principles to success. So follow those principles.
Yeah, I'm way back. Let me move forward. I'm behind, chat. Oi, what up, Sam?
Hey, Sam, hope you're feeling better, bro.
So, chat, talk to me. Who did it? Who had entries set here? I know some of you guys did.
That was testing your FOMO. That was your test of the day.
It's okay if you did. This is how I gained discipline. I would take a buy thinking these idiots on the live stream, they're just talking. They don't know what they're looking at. They're going to miss the whole move. They don't know what they're doing. They're just here to, I don't know. Well, I don't know what they're doing. And I would go ahead and take my buy and get entered in, go 2-3 pips in profit, and then get stopped out and feel like an idiot. Right? And this is how I learned discipline, you know, is by waiting exactly for what I want to see and not budging on something, right? I want to see a 15-minute candle close. It's a new 4-hour candle. We're most likely not going to make a huge move in the first 10 minutes. I know this, right? So I want to wait. I want to see how this candle closes. I think a better buy would be if you now create a support, right? And now you got a new support, and now you move up. Otherwise, price may close bearish here, back in the range, right? And then where do you think it's going to go from there? Most likely to retest the support level here, right? So yeah, that's a big way how I learned discipline, was just not being happy with the results of me rushing things.
And test you they're gonna test you they're gonna test FOMO, and when that test comes, that's your opportunity to strengthen your discipline muscle, right? That's a big reason on why you could be here, is because in those certain situations you can now develop or strengthen, right, that muscle that you're working on as a trader. and becoming a
Bingo.
professional trader. So understand that, yeah. And remember, it doesn't matter how profitable you are or not, right? The markets will test you every day to go against your plan, but you got to focus on what matters most, and that's strengthen your plan and not budging in, following your plan, right? Just follow the plan.
Yeah, and we did close back below. So we are closing back below, gang. So now look, we have 3 pockets of volume coming up. 9:15, which is here, 9:30, and 9:45 now. So there's 3 opportunities for us to potentially get in position. So here's what we can do. We can sit tight and wait on this 15 because we know the open is on the next 15. And we can see what this candle wants to do. Does it want to close bullish back above, right? And then we can take our buys moving up, or is it going to remain below, right? Is this candle actually going to maybe do something like this, right? Give us a celery play, or just close bearish in general, right? Waiting on the volume, which will be here in the next 15-minute candle, right? Or it could do something like this. So I think it's going to be best for us to wait for the next 15. We'll have clear direction, whether or not price is going to close above or below, and then that's going to be our entry come 9:30, right? During the open, a lot of volume is going to dump in, and we want volume, but we also want clear direction. We don't want to be lured in. Who seen my Instagram story on my sauna thoughts yesterday? Show you guys.
Bro, that was fire.
Right. Read this. There's a reason horses have blinders on in races, so they don't get distracted by looking at the horses next to them. In the same way, you need to stay focused on yourself and your edge in the markets. Anything outside of your system is just noise. The market is trying to lure you with its tactics. Okay, that's what the market does. The market knows, hey, if I could just get them to break discipline once, I'll be able to get them to break it and do it again and again. Don't bite the bait. Don't follow the lure. Blinders on, gang. Your move or no move. That's how you stay consistent. Keep the blinders on.
That's gems. Tunnel vision.
First trade live was a win or loss? Honestly, I can't remember.
Bro, right?
I think it was a big winner. Yeah, it was. It was a massive winner. Like, it was just like a sign. Like, yo, you're here to stay. You can do it.
It was a sign. You could do it.
Yeah, I remember it actually was a big, big win.
Damn. I for real don't remember. That's crazy. Yo, what's good, Rafi? My man.
Raffy Taffy. Raffy Taffy, get you right.
Oh, yeah.
Maxed out the credit cards.
Nah, yeah, Nick, you be spending gems on thread, bro. You got the most screenshots
Sauna thoughts.
out of Sauna thoughts.
I entered, sad. It's okay. You know, like I said, this is where discipline comes in, because I would enter off the 15 and then get stopped and be like, damn. You know, and then what would happen is the candles would actually move in my direction. So I was right about the direction, just wrong about the time, right? And then I would be like, damn, I could have just saved my bullets there for the best move and not just a move. So that's what I mean when I'm talking about blinders on, focus on your move and not just any move, right? You don't want to just chase any move in the markets. Let's see how the 5's going to close here. This candle may close on the 5 with no bottom wick here. 19 seconds.
See.
Yeah, it's actually looking good. It's setting up nice. If this could wait for us, that'd be fantastic here, man. Yeah, we know that there's a lot of volume coming in here at 9:30. Tight stops. Yeah. Yeah, it wouldn't be bad. It wouldn't be bad. Stops are like 15 pips.
Well, current candle 15.
Yep. GJ Bleeder? Oh yeah, no top wick though. I would have been interested had we had a nice close on this candle, but we didn't. Took the bait earlier, but lesson learned. Hey, there you go. W. Big W. Now look, now you understand that concept, and you could bring that with you now for years to come in your trading.
Rest of your life.
The problem happens when we keep making the same mistakes over and over and over.
Facts.
15 sell would be valid. It's kinda. I think I'd much rather wait on the 30 minutes to close here. I think that's going to give us a little bit better confirmation here today.
I agree.
What up, Champs Gaming Zone? What's good? Buy more. Buy more what? Buy more Bitcoin?
Buy more Bitcoin.
It still can close bullish on the 15. Then we have a support on the 15 for a big move. Yeah, exactly. So this candle could easily close back above too with an exhaustion wick. So I think, like I said, the 30 will give us better confirmation. Yeah, because if this 30 closes back above, that's what we drew out earlier. And then that would just be a simple celery play to move back up. Yeah, we got in 6 minutes. We may be getting into a position here. So I'll be right back.
Let's see what the marks want to say. Let's see what this 15 candle does. When the 30, 1 hour, 4 hour all bullish, right? And the daily could be rejecting that support that it's at. You know, it gets a little tough to take some sells on the 15. Especially since the 15 is just a bit weaker, right, than the 30. So. If you wanted a good R to R on the 15 trade, you would have to use current candle stops as well. So Anyone take these?
NFTs. NFTs. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. We're starting to move down here. 15's breaking down. 30-minute is moving down here. About to break the lows, it looks like. Can we break those lows? There we go. Broke the 30-minute lows. 4 hour is moving down here too. So yeah, we'll see where we close here at 9:30 in 3 minutes. Apart from the candle close, what else do we look at? We look for top and bottom wicks. So if a candle, like with GJ, this candle here closed a no bottom wick, so I wouldn't enter a sell, right? Or even if it did close with a bottom wick, this one had no top wick, so I wouldn't have entered a sell there either. So yeah, outside of the closures, that's basically all we're looking for. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily is trying to move back down here as well. Daily sketchy, gang. Daily sketch today.
Very.
All the way back up now.
Let's see.
Let me open up magic keys here. Where's price? Where's price? Yo, there we go.
Yo.
Where's price? All right. Damn, how did we get all the way back here? All right, perfect.
Oh, confused. I was confused.
Where's that other little zoom's in my way here? Get out of my way, zoom. God dang. Bro, where's Price? Where are you, Price? There you are. Holy. Oh my God.
Couldn't find it.
Don't disappear on me again.
Shit.
Auto scroll? Where is it? Auto scroll. Alright. Yeah, no, I think we're good. We just... I already hit auto scroll. We're in 1800, so we gotta go to 19. Come on, baby. Alright, we should be creeping on price here. 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s. Double click it? What do you mean? Use auto scroll. I already did. I already used it. Oh, late. right, 1960.
Word.
We got 18 seconds. All right, perfect. Oh, what happened here? Oh, we opened up with no top wick. What do you know? All right. So, yeah, nothing there. Opened up with no top wick. 15-minute also rejected pretty heavily. So, nothing just yet. Sheesh. Holy, all that work. I feel tired now.
The patient trader will be the winner today.
Tired. F scale fix, yeah.
Holy.
Yeah, so this should come back up now, right? If we don't have a top wick, you should start to move back up here. So 15-minute close, very weak, bullish as well. So nothing really. Nothing.
Gotta keep waiting.
Just wait on it.
90%. Good thing it's 90% waiting, 10% actually trading.
Why is the every time I move it down though, you see how price just disappears?
Let me see what.
All right, I think I fixed it here.
Nah, yo, that is
All right.
annoying, dude.
All right, we good. We're back. Perfect. All right, lovely. We're back in action. So yeah, nothing here just yet for me. Yep, no top wick on the 30. Can't do anything with that. We did get a nice 30 closure. All we needed was like a little top wick, and that would have been pretty decent, but we just drove down 15 pips in like less than like 5 seconds. Yeah. Let's take a look at GJ here. GJ's basically hit target. Let's look at NASDAQ. Oh yeah. Yeah, see, now you're starting to create support. So just like we talked about, no buys here, wait for a support to form, and if this support does form, then you should see price continue up. Yep. Yeah, the reason we didn't take sells here on gold either, by the way, at 9:15 was pretty simple, right? You had a 4-hour bullish close, 1-hour bullish close, 30-minute bullish close, 15. You could have used a stop here, right? But that was very risky at 13 pips. Otherwise, it needed to be up here at 34 pips. So didn't really like that move, and yeah, just decided to wait. Yeah, daily's even sketchy on the bear run here. Everything else closed bullish. Yeah. Yeah, and if you're using a resistance like this, you close back above, right, on the 30. So keep that in mind as well.
Yeah, and you remember, any trade you take, you want the higher time frames to like make sense with the trade, right? So hard to take sells when the 30 and 1 hour, 5 hour all bullish. At any point they could continue being bullish.
Yep.
That makes sense.
Yeah, we're
I'll
also
put the story together.
correct, and we're also pre-FOMC here today. Big Papa Powell coming out here to hit the stage. So yeah. Yeah, now you basically have a support, right? So now you can kind of switch your zone up a bit. You have this range here. So you got a new support. You also have a new resistance there as well. Above that is super clean candles to the left. So even if you wanted to just delete everything here today, you know you got a new support. You also have a new resistance. And that's your range, right? You've got pretty clean traffic, wick fills down below to look to secure profits, and then you also have a nice move up here on the 15 as well. So this becomes like your no trade range now, and now you just sit tight on the closure outside of it. Oh, 1 second. Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hey, yo, we can hear you, bro.
Yeah, it did.
Hey, yo, if y'all haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. Shout out everyone. Shout out all 1,800 of y'all for pulling up today, working on yourselves as the trader. Love it. You know, this is where you put the work in. Put the work in here at the charts. You see how these candles move, develop the skills, see certain patterns. So, good job, y'all.
Skills pay the bills, son.
Bills pay the bills.
Yes, we will be. Yeah, we're gonna stream FOMC later. Yep. Yep, we'll be on here. We'll be here. We'll be here.
A lot on us. Yeah, the name of the game is patience, y'all. The patient trader is gonna be the winning trader today.
Yep.
Patient on that best trade.
How long have I been trading? I've been trading now 2019, 2020, 21. Yeah, almost 5 years now. Took me, the first 2.5 years were pretty rough, and then was able to find some consistency a little bit after that. All right, look at this. So now, TK drew this out already, right? Clipped this already. So we were looking for a potential support. And now if you get a closure out, you have a nice support, a break above, and you should go ahead and do the 4-hour wick fill, right? And then potentially retest 1987 here. So we got clean range. We'll see if we get a closure. Oh, you got to meet. Uh-oh. I'm going to buy up 20 pips. So now you're probably break even. Yikes. Yeah, did you secure anything? I hope you secured a little bit. Hope you secured a little bacon.
Bacon.
I'm in the rough phase right now. You're keeping me on track. Yeah, definitely. It's amazing to have someone who you can you know, kind of sit with and work with every day. Even though we're not physically sitting together and working with, it's still very helpful. You know, that Don and Raja, their stream helped me like I couldn't even tell you guys.
Thank God for it.
Yeah, because I wouldn't have known, right, that I was doing stupid things had I not done those stupid things and had an example to look at of patience and discipline. So I would do those things and I'd be like, man, still struggling, but this dude hasn't even gotten to a trade yet, right? How many of you guys already took 3 losses today and we're just sitting here, right, talking about whatever? That was me. You know, I was in there taking 2-3 losses, and then all of a sudden an A+ setup would show up and I had no more risk on the table, right? So I couldn't do anything. So, you know, just it's good to have somebody to kind of watch and sit with.
Yeah, that's the best way to learn too. At the end of the day, watching a professional trader trade, watching how he trades, and copying it, pretty much.
Yes, sir. You guys know my mentor used to tell me, if you're gonna walk through a minefield, follow someone. Simple advice, isn't it? So if trading is a minefield, right, in itself, literally, you blow up your account, right? Hit the mine. So why not follow someone, right? Why not step in every step that they stepped in to know that you're good to go? A few bacon bites, hey, let's go. Last 15 closed bearish on MT5. Did you come through Raja or Kerwin? Yeah, I watch a lot of Raja. Yep. Do we do this every day? Yeah, we do. Hey, shout out to Australia. It's getting late for you, huh? It's getting late.
You're a dog. Oh,
Got that dog in you.
that dog.
See, no buys here, no sells here. Just a very choppy range at this point. It's looking like we're back into the waiting for FOMC here, not gonna lie.
Yeah, I think.
This whole range is chalked. It's basically a no trade range now.
That was another thing I was a little sketched about too with the with the sells in that range. Just like I didn't want to take it in that range as well.
Yeah.
Be a little sketch.
You gonna rub your hands on your tires? Boss, I had a flat.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
That's great.
I didn't sleep in for the live. Started following recently. Oh, nice, nice. Welcome, welcome. Anybody here from ASFX? Anybody here today from ASFX? The crew over there?
Yeah, I'm curious.
Atomic dog.
Yeah, shout out Austin. That man's a stud. That man knows his stuff.
Oh yeah, you're right, David. Yeah. Yeah, what time is it? 9:45 here. So 15. Yeah, 15's gonna close here. You got a 16 pip down, rejection zone, not the best here. Yeah, I think we may find our move later on for today. FOMC.
I think so. That's how it be on these days. Wait for that 2 o'clock.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm trying to see. I don't think we really could have taken much at all here today. Yeah. Don't really see anything for us. You know, maybe this 30-minute, right? But, you know, 30-minute opened up with no bottom wick right away. Or no top wick, so wouldn't have taken that. So, yeah, nothing here today. Up until this point. We may just range a bit now. Yeah, we may just chop up and down, all around within here.
Especially coming towards the end of the session now at 10 a.m.
Yeah.
The longest, bro. You remember, bro? You remember the longest trade ever we took?
Yeah. That was we were in drawdown, right?
Yeah, I mean,
Was
it
that
ended up getting out.
Yeah, we ended up in
drawdown.
profit. We had so many Quakers that day. They were preying on
my
our
gosh.
downfall, man. It was crazy.
Or praying we lose.
Imagine praying someone loses. Holy.
That's tough. That's tough, man. I pray for that person.
Just good for the gambler so far. Yeah, nah, I don't like this. Like it may drive down, but pre FOMC, I'm totally cool with letting this go. It's literally a 12, 15 pip range here. I'm good on this. Yeah. If anything, I think we wait for FOMC. We've got new ranges here. We can actually delete this one here. Excuse me, and then excuse me, this will probably be the range in pre FOMC. So when you do break out, you should have decent moves going up, and also nice clean moves coming down. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do here today. Yep. Chorra, don't go to sleep. Chorra. Yeah, we'll stream FOMC. We will start around 1:45 p.m. Eastern. So whatever that is for you, that is 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. So 4 hours from now. Yeah, 4 hours from now.
I'm in bed.
Not at all.
How you doing?
Oh, what's this? This stream is literally life-changing. Hey.
Yes, sir.
If you only... Yeah, amen. Amen. Yeah, I love that. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I say we pack this up and we wait for FOMC, gang. Not going to touch any sells in here. If this is your sells, do you. I'm going to stay out and wait for higher volume to come in. We have clean ranges here today. Don't waste your bullets and your risk in here. I'm telling you, it's not going to be the best for you. So we have plenty of moves to play out here in a little while. We'll stick with that, and we'll come back. I'm going to leave these. I'm not going to touch my chart. Going to leave everything the way it looks, and we'll come back. We'll do another fresh breakdown for pre-FOMC, pre-news, and then we will look to see if we can take some positions for FOMC. Let's see if Pal got some money for us today. Got some money for us.
Let's go.
All right. So I'm gonna get.
I think he does.
I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm gonna go kick back on my new furniture real quick before the whole family of Rugrats wake up and start jumping everywhere.
Man, chilling.
Yeah. I'll be back in a few hours, and we'll make this happen. All right. Cool.
All right, bro.
All right, Johnny boy. I'll see you in a little bit.
Thank you, Nick. Thank
Mods, thank you guys
sir.
for pulling up today. YOLO, Z Gamer, Green, TK, everybody in the house today. Everybody else, thanks for stopping in, and we'll be back in about 4 hours. So keep an eye out for the stream. I'll set it up, and we'll see you then. All right.
Peace, chat.
Later, gang. W's on the way out. W discipline, W patience here today. Beautiful job. We will see you a little bit